Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. Equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, Z71 package, dark essentials, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior paneling coupled with storage in the bottom next to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the wood and chrome accents. We're going to have the black running boards here. These leather heated seats, super comfortable. Left side will be your vents, and down below will be your drive mode selector, 2- and 4-wheel and lighting control. Left side is steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with a black bow tie. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You know, it's all digital. You can access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. You're also going to have 2 paddle shifters right behind. And to push to start, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance and a hitch cam as well. With built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and access to My Chevrolet and Amazon Alexa. Down below will be your lane keep assist and auto stop and hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. Right next to your integrated brake controller, these are dual zone climate controls, but 2 USB ports at the side. You got the center console here with the shifter, wireless charger pad, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall port there. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Leather heated finish, wood and chrome all the way across. Speakers, vents up top. And then here you can access your read lamps, on-start SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. You have black 20-inch wheels on Michelin X Ice Snow SUV tires with the black Z71 badging, paint match rear caps, keyless entry door handle, tinted glass in the back here, tinted tail lights with the bow tie badge, dual exhaust with the corner step bumper, and the multi-flex tailgate. With the grab handle, 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, got more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome. Up here. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear vents and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats, storage under, with lamps up top, handles on the side, and a power rear sliding window. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, Z71 package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.